Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Circle K. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the web browser on your device and then in the address bar just type in circlek.com/user/login and then press enter. You will now directly be taken into the login portal for Circle K. Now all you will need to do is enter your credentials. Type in the username that you have set up while creating your account within the username box, and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. Finally, click on the login button, and now you will be logged in with your Circle K account right away. In case you cannot log in or you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Contact Us button to get in touch with the support team in order to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Circle K. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.